Hello, in front of me I've got Urbanears Luma. In this video I'll show you how to perform factory reset of your earbuds. In the beginning, let's place them in the charging case. Now, press and hold touch panels on each earbud for 10 seconds. Now, remove them from charging case and place them in your ears. Once they are placed in your ears, press the touch panel on each earbud twice. And factory reset should be performed. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.